Welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle McVeigh, and today I would love to show you this 150 Montauk. This is a beautiful Boston whaler, the unsinkable legend. This boat has all kinds of cool features. I'm going to take you up inside of it and show you all of it. So this is a great little fishing boat here, powered by a Mercury outboard. That's a 60 horsepower. You've got a live well right here at the back of the boat. Place for your fishing bucket, some rod holders back here. Right here we've got a forward, rearward facing helm seat. It's got your fuel tank down below it. So here at the helm, you've got a JL audio sound system, got a Simrad screen that has your gauges in it, also an echo depth finder and chart plotter. We've got a compass built in there at the helm, a little windshield just in case the weather gets a little blustery. And now we're going to move forward and show you the front of the boat. So right here at the front of the boat, we've got your troll motor wiring ready to go, so you can plug your troll motor in. Underneath this sun pad is an anchor locker. Right here is a forward-facing seat that's covering your ice chest with a nice padded backrest, and you've got some more rod holders here. So this boat's ready to go fishing. Come see us here at MarineMax in Dallas.